Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to add new columns in container in Elementor, right? As you can see onto my screen here, I am editing one of my web page of my website, right? So first of all we need to create a section, right? So we are going to click on the plus icon getting displayed in the middle of the screen. Okay, here it is asking us whether we want Flexbox or whether we want grid, right? So like we want grid. So I have selected the first structure of the grid, one row and two column. And for example, I just need third more column, right? Then what I need to do is like I need to first of all edit this container. As you can see, there is a button just above the section of edit container. We just need to click on that, the 6 dot button. And here in the left side, as you can see, there are two columns, right? In the left side toolbar we have three options: layout, style and advanced. And in the layout there are two columns, right, getting displayed. So we can increase it to 3 or like 4 and 5. As you can see, like 5 columns have been added, right, in a particular grid. So you have simply changed the structure of the grid, right? You can also increase the number of rows as well. Now let me reduce it to like 2. Okay, so now what I want is like I'm just adding a container in it, right? So I have clicked on add element, and for suppose I'm going to drag this container right from widgets to the grid first row first column position, right? So as you can see, I have added the container over here, right? Now what I want is like I want to add new column in this particular container, right? For example, this section is having a grid of one row and two columns, right? And now I just want to create sub columns in the first column, right? And then how I can add that container. So for this, as you can see, we are into the first column, and here there is a gray button, right, a gray box button. When you move the cursor over there, you can simply left click on that particular button, and here in the left side toolbar again we have three settings: layout, style and advanced. And here the container layout is Flexbox. You need to change it to grid. Okay, I have made it grid. And here you can see like you can simply now in the item settings you can simply change these column settings, like whether you want 2 columns, 3 columns or 4 columns. So like for example, I have kept 3 columns and 2 rows in it. Now what the structure is all about, let me tell you. In this section we have 2 columns, right? And in the first column we have 2 rows and 3 columns, right? We can place 6 containers in it, right, or more than that. And in the second column there is only one container as of now, right? We can simply add container to it. So I have clicked on plus icon getting displayed in the black header line, right, to add elements. So I have searched for container in the widgets, and now I will simply drag and drop this container in the second column, right? So as you can see, like both the columns have containers, right? The first column is having container, and the structure of the first column is like 2 row and 3 columns, right? We can add 6 containers in it or more than that, right? You can also add containers in containers. So I would not say that you can only add 6 container, you can add more than that. Apart from that, in the second column you are having a single container as of now, right? So this is how you can add columns in a container, right? Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have added my blog link in video description. You can simply visit our blog and read articles related to Elementor and can also see the video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.